Yo, what up, YouTube EX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I got another unboxing for you guys right now. I'm kind of like excited, but kind of like agitated at the same time with this item, because the simple fact is, it came from China. I didn't really want to order this from China because I don't like using Apple Watch wristband straps from China due to its like chemicals and stuff that's inside of them and stuff like that. I spoke to the seller. To be honest, he kind of did some scummy things, but it's all right. It doesn't really matter. He does have good products, so I will give him props for that. I haven't used none of his stuff yet, so we're going to test it out if it's a good product. So like I said, I don't like getting stuff from China. I like my stuff coming directly from the United States. Basically, when it comes towards wrist strap bands, due to the fact that Apple stuff, wristbands and stuff, can irritate your skin. I have sensitive skin and stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah, I know I had this strap before. Wore the hell out of this one. I just got this one. Just got that one. I used this for probably like a week and I already got it dirty right there. The simple fact is being outside in the element and stuff like that and got it messed up. Same thing with this one right here. As you can see, this is just normal wear and tear, wherein have my hands on the tables and stuff like that. And this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So let's just take this off real quick. But we gotta bring this and this. This one is the same band for this one. Thing is, this one is for the Apple Watch on 44, the 45, the 46, I think, millimeters. It all fits the same way. It's just this part is just a little bit thinner compared towards the 49 millimeter bands right here. Still the same thing. It's just nothing really big with it. So here's the case. To be honest, I don't like the cases. I brought a few already. Okay, this is plastic. Okay. But I do like this. Okay. This looks like it's a two-part. So do you just take your watch and slide it in? I don't see a way. So it looks like it's a two-piece. Yeah, it's a two-piece. So I can put it, I guess I can just put it in straight like that without this part. So I am going to test some things out. Let me grab my other band. I'm going to show you the differences real quick. So here's my other one right there. I like this one, but the problem is that it takes out the whole look towards it because this one is a little bit thicker out. It doesn't show the whole part out, so it basically clears it out. Stop accidental dents on presses. Which this one right here, you can see there's the little bump thing on it right there. So let's take off this watch real quick. There we go. And what I do want to do, anytime I buy something from a different country, I use these alcohol pads. I'm just gonna wipe around it. Get any whatever that's maybe on it, just get it off of it. Do the exact same thing with the insides. Like I said, I do have sensitive skin and I will break out quickly if there is some type of different chemicals and stuff on here. Okay. So this is both sterilized, and here's the band. I'm allergic to metal, so, and stainless steel, so that's why I can't wear fake jewelry or anything fake. Okay, I like this. I do like this. So let's take this out. Let's get another one of these cleaning pads. The reason why I do this, like I said, to see if there's any dirt or chemicals, whatever's on it. This is straight up rubbing alcohol. So whatever that's on you will get removed. So I know this is a long video, guys, but my safety is more important than a video. Make sure that I won't get sick or get a bad reaction towards the product. Okay, that's good. So here we go right here. Let's move this one off. There we go. I just hate the bacteria that comes off of these things. Anytime that you remove it off, smart. Pretty much try to keep all this stuff clean. Okay, so let's put it on without the, so this is just this one right here. Okay, that is tight bag though. That's what it looks like that. So I think I definitely need to put this on here. So let's get this off real quick. Which I didn't mean to take a screenshot. There we go. This is this part is right there. Okay. So here's that. I mean, to be honest, I think I can just keep it like that, to be honest, because the simple fact is that it looks way better that way. And yeah, I think I might just keep it like that, to be honest, just like this. And let me see, and we're going to just throw on the straps. So this one is at the bottom. I think I put it in the wrong way. Just be the top. This is the bottom. You know what? I kind of like this look by itself. You know what? I think I like it like that better. Oh, that look rugged. I like that. Oh yeah. But the metal touching on my skin, I don't know if I can deal with it. I might have to just leave it on for a couple and see how it feels over time. Yeah, that feels good. I'm not gonna lie, that feels good. That looks rugged. It's just the metal. I feel the coldness to the metal, and I can feel like the irritation on my skin. So I don't know. I might have to put some tape or something underneath it just to stop it from rubbing on my skin. But I do like this. This look rugged like that. Let's just throw this on here at the remaining part of it. So let's take this off. And I'm getting text messages like crazy. Okay. Put that over here like that. And oh yeah. This thing looks super rugged. Snagging onto my hair. That looks nice. Oh, this is bulky. Get the crown. So to be honest, you don't even need this on. This just gives it extra protection. And I like it. I might just throw my regular strap on here. I'm gonna carry this with me though. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of today. See how my skin irritates towards it. See if I get any rashes, anything like that. If not, then we'll see. But I like it like this, and it feels actually pretty damn good. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.